Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day and it is my 277th Floss Tube. And today is April 22nd, 2025. Holy cow. Here we are. And I have my April cup and today I have Bigelow Teas chamomile. It just felt like a chamomile type day. Yeah, what a week. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Well, we did a few things last week. Not too many, kind of balanced out, but yeah. Oh my goodness. So no plans for this week. I never know when anything is ever going to show up. So we'll get on with what we had for starts. Okay, the first one in my pile, not in any particular order, is Butterfly and Peonies from VIP. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all that pink. Oh my goodness, my granddaughter would be in seventh heaven. She loves pink. Loves pink. Maybe I'll finish that one for her. But didn't get too much done. We started at the bottom. And I'm trying to figure out where it's at. Right in here is where we worked. And I did not get back to it. Yeah, like I said, last week my hand was driving me crazy. And, well, it's not my hand. It's just my thumb. And some days is worse than others. Believe me. Yeah. We also started this one. It was from VIP Cross Stitch as well. Try to get it out of here without everything else. And this is called Birds and Roses. Hopefully I can. Yeah, there we go. Try to get it in there. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful peach colored, orange color roses. Just absolutely gorgeous. And that robin. Ugh. Can you ever? So we started working at the bottom. Let me fold it this way, and that way the light won't come through it. Right in here into this part of the robin's breast. And that too as well is all that I got done on that. Yeah. I didn't make a whole lot of progress on a whole lot, believe me, this week. I'll put that back in there just so it doesn't get confused. Not that there isn't a number on them, because there is. And the next one came from Paint Some Way, I believe. I think. Yeah, Paint Some Way. And it is called Berries and Flowers. Just absolutely stunning. I can sure I had it right side up. And we started right up here in this green leaf. And that is all that I got done with that. It's very hard to hold on to the 14 count this week. So, not a lot done there. And I believe I have one more to show you. This came from Fan Cells. I did work on this a little bit. Hang on. It's always, the threads always want to be attached. But this is the cutest one, I swear, this week. Well, if I can get it to turn. And it is that beautiful bunny from Fan Cells. Just gorgeous. So I did do some more work on him, as you can see from the back. During the video, we worked on this pink part, in both here and here, and then I started working on the bunny itself and its ears and around, and then I'll show you what it, let me put it this way so you can see. So the brown is starting to come out in the bunny rabbit, but yeah, I really like this one. It is easy to stitch on, and so I put a few extra strands here, there, and everywhere. Put that in there. But that is all the starts that I had this week. Let's see if I can just find a home for that over there. We also worked on this one. We don't need the thread, thanks. This one from AliExpress, and I just don't know what to call it. It says family portrait. Okay. Don't understand why it says that, but yeah. But it is beautiful, and the color, I believe, is 606, not 666. Let me see if I can get it undone. Yep, 606. So, see, it's kind of a bright red, like, I think it's brighter than fire engine red. It's more of an orangish red, but it works. And all we worked on is that little part right in there. So not too much progress on this one yet. I do have another one that I call Treasure Ball. I think that's what it's actually called. Yeah. So I have more progress in that one than this one. So we'll give it some more time. And, hold please. All right. And the last one that I worked on, if I've got a picture of it, well, maybe. Oh, yes, we do. Call it Blue Mountains and Pavilions, and we've been working right up here in this Blue Mountain area. I didn't work so much on it anymore this week. I do have colors laid out, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'll keep at this, keep it some of the others too, but yeah. So last but not least is the 19 hairpins that I got from AliExpress, and I started on this side right in here. So I know it's a very small picture. It's all we have of it. What can I say? Try to hold it as still as possible. But yeah, it is coming along beautifully. So I got to figure out which way it goes. Of course, we don't have quite enough material there. There we go. So I've been working on those flowers that I worked on last week, and I came down and decided to work on some of her hair and part of that dress. I did start on her eyes, but yeah, it's all going to be slightly one color there, so I may have to do the part around her eyes and then put the back stitching in just so I know where it's supposed to go. But yeah, whoops, sorry. But yeah, her dress is coming along just great. And about got, holy cow, part of that. There's like a big leaf like right along in here. So been knocking it off little bit by little bit, but I did pretty much finish those leaves up there. There may be one symbol or so. So yeah, I am really loving this and putting most of my time into that. And that, holy cow, that was a piece of work. Yeah. It's not that bad to work on. I can just hold what section I'm stitching on close to me, so I don't have to hold it up, you know, and it's very lightweight canvas, thank goodness. But after you get all that stitching on there, holy cow, that thing will weigh a ton by the time it's done. But that, guys, is everything. Like I said, we'll have April Saturday stitching on Saturday. Amazing, they call it April Saturday. Never mind. Yeah, and so far that's all the plans that I have this week. Don't know if I'll get anywhere with my daughter. We'll have to see how that all comes out. And maybe she'll want to go someplace, maybe she won't. And the weather is supposed to be just absolutely lovely. So, yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. And thank you everyone last week who sent pictures of things they're working on or finished, or finished projects. I sure do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you want to send me something, send it to my email address, and then I'll get it into the next Stitch with Me as soon as I possibly can. I promise. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.